Hey Fabio, I'm at the lab, the Sensorica lab, and I was playing with this new sensor, pressure sensor, so I hooked it up to an Arduino board and I wanted to show you how it works um, and walk you through what's left to do. Okay, cool. So, here it is, this new little guy here, connected to a tube just to see how it works. You can see it in a document here, and I'm just using an Arduino Uno for now. I have this feather that is Bluetooth and everything that you purchased, so these are ready to go. But just I did a very simple sketch here because I had some problems before with the feather with Arduino. I'm running Linux. I got it to work, but it's much easier for me to just play around with the Uno now. So what I have here is just a sketch to monitor the analog input. That's exactly what you're gonna do on the feather, but it'll run the sketch that these guys wrote. I don't know, Pav or whoever. So here we go. I'm just gonna blow on this tube now, right? Let's see how it works. It's very, very sensitive. I'm just blowing very gently, slightly. This is not even the maximum value that we can reach. Let me force myself a little bit here. Oh, there you go. Wow. It's probably the highest we can do. So I have a lot of data points here. What's nice with this sensor is that it is amplified. It is an amplified sensor. So that's why it works so well. In the past we worked with this one here, which is not amplified, and to make it work we had to use an instrumental amplifier, and I think Pav, or no, that was from a paper somebody created this circuit board to amplify this sensor. But this one works pretty well. It's $30 a piece, something like that, but it's really amazing. It's really, really amazing the way it works. I'm happy about it. Let's see it one more time here. Look at that. Oh, it's funny, it just saturates there. That's the maximum we can get. But that's pretty cool. So, what am I going to do tomorrow? I will use some capacitors that I have here. 3 types of capacitors to dress a little bit the sensor. That will give you a much cleaner output. And so instead, replace the Arduino board with a feather. Okay, so I'll do that tomorrow, and upload the sketch to the feather and see if it works. So that's about it. Also, we printed the box. Actually, we have another piece coming, but we didn't use the filament that we used in the past, which is the wood thing here, because I didn't have it, and with this we got it for free at Concordia. This is just one first prototype, but for the next 5 we could actually print it with any material you want. This is just so that the girl at Shenzhen can start playing with it. And I got some fittings here for the tube. It fits very nicely. There you go. So I'll connect this tomorrow with a little plastic tube Okay, so hope that I have everything I need here. So hope that tomorrow I'll just pack it up. Okay.